So hello guys, today I'm gonna show you my Banzo Bunny mod. So this mod was made by the Grief. Yeah, the name is Grief. All you do is go to YouTube and then this is one who made it. This is the one who made it. Wait. It's this one who made the Banzo Bunny mod. I really like his Banzo Bunny mod because it's so cool. Yeah, the Banzo Bunny mod is so cool. So let's start the video. Okay, let's open it. So here.
Summer, dito ka lang.
Bakit?
Wala namang hindi ako.
Okay.
Okay, dito ka lang.
Bye.
Wala labas na.
Okay, I really like this one because it's so cool. Like, I never seen this before. It's been like my biggest I've been made this. Yeah, it's the Griefier who made this. I think his name is Griefier. I don't know. I think. Okay. He has some voice line too. Hey, Banzo Bunny! Huh. Nailed it. Oh, hello, Banzo the Ugly Bunny. My leg. That's what you get from my Coco Melon. It's your birthday. I'm gonna say happy birthday to you.
Hataw sa work, dapat hataw rin sa life.
It's our Hataw era, kaya get
Set, speak!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. I am headless now. So bye guys. Say bye bye Banzo Bunny. Bye. Bye guys.